morning to all. Today I will teach you the mathematics lesson of class. This is our first lesson, revision, and this is some questions of exercise 1. And today I want to solve this some exercise questions for you. And this course related to your new book. Now first question is the largest 4-digit number is. We read in previous classes also what is the largest number and what is the smallest number of 1 digit and the largest number of 1 digit. Just we say about the smallest number of 1 digit is 1 and the largest 1 digit number is 9 and the smallest 2 digit number is 10. Just we say 1 digit and 2 digit. 0 is 1 digit, 1 is second digit. So 10 is the smallest 2 digit number and 99 is the largest 2 digit number. After 99 we will write 100. 100 is 3 digit number, a smallest 3 digit number because 1 0 1 digit, second 0 1 digit, second digit and 1 is third digit. So we say the largest 4 digit number is 9 9 9 9. It means that ones, tens, 100,000, 9,999. These are the largest 4-digit number. The digit is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second question is the smallest 4-digit number. I will tell you about it. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1 0 0 0. It means that 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. It means that 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Second question is the place value of 8 in 3486 is. अब मुझे बताना है कि 3486 में 8 की क्या प्लेस वैल्यू है. तो जस्ट वी से वंस 6 is in the ones place, 8 is the tens place, 4 is in 100 place and 3 is the thousand place. 8 is in tens place. So we will write it at T. At T is the place value of 8 in 3486. Now next question is the predecessor of 3000 is. First, it is very important to know about what is predecessor. Predecessor means 1 digit back, यानी कि minus less 1 digit. It means that कि predecessor का मतलब ये होता है in हिंदी एक पिछला डिजिट, यानी कि जो भी डिजिट की predecessor पूछी जाएगी उसमें से 1 डिजिट को लेस करना होता है. तो the predecessor of 3000 is 2999. And when we add 1 in 2999, we will write it 3000. So that's why I will minus 1 from the 3000 and the predecessor of 3000 is 2999. Right? Now next question is the successor of 6899. The successor means adding 1. I will add 1 in this number. The successor of 6899, when I will add 1 in this number, we will write it 6900. When I will add 1 in this number 6899, we add 1, then the answer will be 9 or 1, 10, 10 plus 0, carry 1, 9, 1, 10, 10 plus 0, carry 1, 8, 1, 9 and the 6. It means that 6900. 6900 is the successor of 6899. Next question is the place value of gas always remains the same. it is very important to know about 0 is the only one digit number that's place value is always remains same. So the place value of 0 always remains same. कहीं भी 0 की जब भी प्लेस वैल्यू पूछी जाएगी, चाहे वो किसी भी पोजीशन में हो, 10th प्लेस पे हो, 1st प्लेस पे हो, या 1000 प्लेस पे हो, या 100 प्लेस पे हो, 0 की प्लेस वैल्यू हमेशा 0 ही लिखी जाती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द लार्जेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर फॉर्म्ड यूजिंग 4 डिफरेंट डिजिट्स. The largest 4 digit number is 9,999 and the different 4 digits we write the largest 4 digit number is 9,876. This is the different 4 digit, 6 different, 7 different, 8 different, 9 different. This is the largest 4 digit number formed using 4 different digits. Last question is question 1. The smallest 4 digit number formed using 4 different digits. यहाँ पे हमने लार्जेस्ट बताया, यहाँ हमें स्मॉलेस्ट बताया है. स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर ही पहले बताया है कि 1000 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर एंड द 4 डिफरेंट डिजिट्स यूज करके स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर बताना है. द स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर फॉर्म यूजिंग 4 डिफरेंट डिजिट इज 1234. These 4 are the 4 different digits and this is the smallest 4 digit number formed using 4 different digits, 1234. Now the next question is number names. हमें number names जानने हैं. number names के बारे में हमने पहले भी बताया है कि उसके पोजीशन को बताना पड़ता है कि क्या होता है, किस पोजीशन पे. तो हमने पहले भी पढ़ा 1's place, 10's place, 1000 place. Now I will solve that question. This is our second question. Second question is we will write the following numerals in words. इन सभी numerals को words में हमें लिखना है. First is 5476. इसको word this is numerals and we will write it in words. 5476. Second is 3940. Third is 9700 and the next is 6019. Next is 8060 and next one is 5000, 800, 803. Next is 7001. Next one is 1011. These are the second questions that I will write it in words. These numerals converted into words. This is our second question of this exercise, exercise 1 of revision chapter. This is our third question. Third question is write the following numbers in figure. इस नंबर को हम फिगर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. जैसे कि पहला लिखा हुआ 8602. 600 602. 2 is 1's place and 6,000 600 and 8,000. 1800 place, 1000 place, 8,602 and 5,100. It means that 5,100. Third one is 4,070. 4070. 4,070. Next one is 9,009. 9,009. We will check 9 in 1's place and next 9 is first 9 is in 100 place. 1, 10s, 100, 1000. Next 9 is in first 9 is in 1000 place. So we will write it 9,009. Next question is write the place value and the face value of each digit in 8347. The place value of any digit is the same and the face value of any digit is the same and the place value of each digit is in different, which is in their place. So we will write it, the place value of each digit in 8347. 40, 300, because it is in 100 place, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, and 8 is in 1000 place, 8000. This is the place value of each digit of 8347, and the face value of 8347 is, the place value of 7 is the 7, same. The place value of 4 is the 4, same. The face value of 3 is the 3, same. And the 8 is 8, same. This is the face value and this is the place value. Now next question is find the difference between the place values of two 7s occurring in 7875. इन दोनों के प्लेस वैल्यू में क्या डिफरेंस है वो बतानी है। तो सबसे पहले दोनों का प्लेस वैल्यू निकालेंगे। फर्स्ट 7 का जो प्लेस वैल्यू होगा वो 7000 होगा, सेकंड 7 का जो प्लेस वैल्यू होगा वो 70 होगा, क्योंकि ये 10th प्लेस पे है और ये 1000 प्लेस पे है। अब हम इसको लेस कर देंगे, 0 में से 0 लेस करेंगे तो 0 होगा, 0 से 7 लेस नहीं होगा, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल कैरी 1। अगर हम 1 कैरी करेंगे तो ये 10 हो जाएगा, 10 में से 7 लेस करेंगे तो 3, एंड इससे हम एक कैरी ले चुके हैं तो इसलिए ये 9 हो गए, तो यहाँ पे 9 हो गए, इससे भी एक कैरी हो चुका है तो यहाँ पे 6, यानी कि 6930। द आंसर विल बी फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द डिफरेंस between the place values of two 7s occurring in 7875 is 6930